What are the most important analytics as a YouTuber? In this video, I'm going to be telling you the 3 most important analytics and why they are so important. And before we get into that, yes, my hair is an absolute mess. This is lockdown hair and it's got me looking crazy. Usually I like a number 3 or number 2 all over. I'm a short hair kind of guy. Totally off topic. Let's hope we didn't lose some people. Right, let's get into the good tips now. Number 1. Audience retention. When you go into your analytics, you want to look for audience retention, also called average view duration. How long are people watching for? When do they start dropping off? Now you want to look, when do they start dropping off? If you see something like 1 minute, 1 minute 30, or wherever it is, you want to think of why. You want to go back to that video and say, did you say something they didn't like? Did you shout? Did you do something that just didn't interest them anymore? Did you go off on a tangent where you're talking for 30 seconds about something that wasn't the point? It's very hard on YouTube, you know, keeping people on the videos. I must admit this, it is hard. Even some videos I've gone back and I thought, wow, really? But people do tend to leave. Like now, I better get on to tip number 2, which is watch time. How long did people watch the video, the grand total? Now, what is your channel's watch time? You want to keep checking in on this because obviously you want to get the 4,000 hours of watch time so you can get monetized. So you want to keep checking where you are on that scale. Are you dropping lower? Are you getting higher? Is it getting better? And which videos do better? The videos that do better and keep people watching for longer, you want to replicate and make more of them because they're driving views and watch time. And if you know they're already working, just go with them. And then keep doing like 2 videos on them, 3 videos. Part videos, sequences are very important. You know, people really like keeping in that, and that's really good for suggested, not only in the search but also getting in suggested, getting your videos in there. Now the third and final tip is new subs from videos. So you want to see how many people actually subscribed from that video, because you get some videos that can get 10,000 views, 20,000 views. I know you may not be getting them, I know I may not be getting them, but on the odd videos that we do get them, which I have on another channel, I look at sometimes and think, wow, only 20 subs from that video, and then another video with that same views maybe got 200 or 300. What was the difference? Mainly that is because of your call to action. Make sure you're actually asking to subscribe and you're telling them what value they will get. Look at your top 5 popular videos and see each one of them how many people subscribed from them videos, your recent video, value, why are they not subscribing and why they're subscribing. You want to think about 2 of them things. Create more of the same videos that are driving subscribers because you know they are working. Again, a bit similar to the ones that are keeping watch time and audience retention. It's about replicating and doing the same thing that's already working but changing it up a bit so you're providing that value. Now if you want to grow further on YouTube, check out this video up here, and if you've got a bit more time, check out this playlist down here. If this is the first time you're watching me, please subscribe for YouTube tips, tricks and advice. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.